Hey everyone, so we just got on board Royal Caribbean's Mariner of the Seas.
Yay!
Yeah, this is a ship that is not brand new, but it feels and looks brand new because it just had over $100 million put into it. They refurbished everything, did some touch-ups, added some fun new stuff. First, we're going to show you guys our stateroom. This is just an inside stateroom, which we've never done before. We've always been a balcony or a suite, so this is a little bit different for us. But this is actually, one thing to note, the stateroom that we're in is actually brand new. This room did not used to exist, and so it could be a little bit nicer than other ones. It's just, we don't know.
When they did the last renovation, they built a new section of rooms, so this is one of the brand new ones.
Yeah, and it's kind of cool because it has like its own little secret entrance. Like you go through near the elevators and there's just this door that's kind of unmarked, but off to the side it says these number rooms this way, so that's where we're at. So yeah, we'll get it kicked off here. We'll give you a little tour of the room so you can kind of see what the dealio is with the staterooms on board the new Mariner of the Seas. We hope you enjoy. So just to give an idea of where our stateroom is, that's it. Okay, so deck 8, these are the midship elevators, and you turn here and you can go through this way past the promenade, which, look at that, great view. So you can go that way to get to one side of the ship, you can go this way to get the other side of the ship, but if you look here, these specific rooms are through this secret door. And you come through, and this is the brand new hallway that we were talking about that has just been built for these new rooms, and this is where we are. If you want to know specifically, room 8323.
And just to reference, because the last time we sailed on Royal, it wasn't like this, but we didn't get our keys when we checked in at the desk. We got, our keys were here in an envelope that was sealed. So when they said our room was ready, we just came here and there was an envelope, and if it's been opened, then you go tell them like, hey, my envelope's been open. But our keys were inside, so. And
we are sailing out of Miami, but this ship will be moving to Port Canaveral as of next year, so we're not sure if it's going to be like that there as well. But here we go. So we go inside. Like we said, this is the interior stateroom. As you can see, no window, no balcony, but it is very nicely appointed. Different artwork, lots of lighting in here. Of course, we have the flat screen television, and this actually will come out from the wall and swivel to face the couch or to face the bed.
it comes out like a really good way,
too. Just to give you a view. That's pretty significant for a room of this size to be able to move like that. So just a nice touch by Royal there. And of course we have our bed put together to have like a king size. If you can kind of see here though, they can take them apart and make it like two twins.
Yeah, two twins.
So you have your standard features. Foam, it's a pretty nice one though. It's like a nice new foam. Drawers, there's lots of storage. There's drawers on either side of the bed. And we have 3 full-size drawers. Oh, there's a hairdryer. Ooh, soft close action.
Ooh.
House hunters would love this. Of course, your chair and workstation with mirror. And a small drawer there that has information and booklets about the ship, ports, and the cruise. And of course, the documents that they deliver to the room for you. Inside here, we have a small refrigerator that is actually pretty cold. Usually these just kind of chill things, but that one's actually pretty nice. Maybe because it's brand new. And I know a lot of people like this. A full-length mirror. So there's that. Over here we have more storage. Small drawer here. And a large cabinet here with a safe in it. Pretty small safe, but it will obviously hold your cash, jewelry, valuables, that sort of thing. We have the couch here. Do you know if this comes out?
I don't think this one does.
I don't think we got that kind of room. No, that's just
the couch. No, there are options. Like if you have a party of 3 or 4, you can have the option of having either a sofa bed or where they have 2 Pullmans on each side where the bed retracts down, and then it's basically kind of like a bunk bed. So you can do that if you have 3 or 4 people, but since we're just a 2-person party, then we don't have that.
We don't have that. We don't need that, so that's okay. So, right when you come inside, you have this handy dandy, very large closet, of course with your personal flotation devices. Several of nice hangers here, pants and shirt hangers. This is cool, little flip down. If you have the space, you can flip that down. I have an extra hanging space, several shelves, so a very large closet, and also another hanging rod here. And the light switch right when you come inside the room. Now this appears to be, you'll see this a lot nowadays on other ships. There it goes, yeah. This controls the light. So if you don't have your room key in here, the lights won't run. It's to conserve energy. If you don't really care about that and you kind of want because sometimes these control the AC as well. And if you want the AC to run the whole day while you're gone, you can just like bring a, spare credit card or an old room key or something like that, and put that in there, and that'll work for you. Doors have peephole with peephole cover, and also they give you these magnets that you can put out. Catching thrills, please make up my room. So you just put that on the outside of the door and they will attend to you. Of course the door locks. And we have the thermostat here cranked all the way down. The last thing to see is the bathroom. We have hangers on the door, and then we also have the circular shower with, of course, the nice swinging doors here. Gives you a lot of space. Nice little bubble design feature built in on that. And this is a removable shower head, so you can detach that, spray yourself down. They have the built-in shampoo and conditioner dispensers, so that's pretty nice. You don't just have like bars of soap and everything just kind of laying around getting scummy. We do have a clothesline that runs across there. You can hang your clothes up to dry those. They do have a gentle bath soap bar here as well though, so that I guess you do still have sitting around. I don't know what I was thinking with the shampoo, and I guess that's bottles, but not bars. So that's just shampoo and conditioner in the dispenser, and then the bar soap actually is still just the bar. Toilet, pretty standard. Towels. There's actually a lot of bathroom space too. There's several of these little cubbies, your glasses for drinking, extra little washcloths, toilet cleaner, toilet paper in there. Nice bowl sink with the nice faucet. You can tell this all looks very, very new. Nice backsplash, two-sided mirror. You get your Kleenex dispenser, and then the trash can down there. Another one over there. So, pretty nice bathroom.
I found the room service menu.
Room service.
It's in this little drawer and a pretty little folder. So, breakfast. Now, you do not have to pay for each individual item. There's just a room service delivery charge. I think
it's right here, $7.95 per room delivery for the breakfast. And so you see we have continental stuff, juices, coffee, tea, milk. They have toast, bagels, muffins, donuts, pastries, cereals, fruits, yogurts, and then eggs your way.
It does say if you want to get mimosas, like you do have to pay for the alcohol.
Yeah, unless you have a drink package, alcohol is always going to be a charge. So eggs your way, omelets, they have pancakes, hash browns, bacon, pork sausage, chicken sausage, lots of stuff.
It's a lot of options.
And then what do we have here?
I think this is just regular like lunch and dinner. So
this is from 11 a.m. to 6 a.m. because then they switch to breakfast.
Right.
So so it's 24 hours. You have the breakfast from 6 a.m. to 11 a.m. and then the rest of the time will be this menu, which is appetizers and salads. Chicken noodle soup, tomato soup, chopped scallop salad. You can read these, and just feel free to pause the video if you need to stop and read the full description of what each thing is.
Yeah, a pretty big menu.
18% gratuity will be added to your check, so keep that in mind. And that is it. That is our stateroom, number 8323. Like we said, inside stateroom. This is one of the newest ones that they've just added to Mariner of the Sea. So we hope you've enjoyed it. If you have any questions, want to know any other information, be sure to comment down below, let us know. And be sure to check out the other videos. We're going to have like a full comprehensive walking tour. We're going to have some vlogs of us doing some different things. All the stuff we can think of. So we're on a 4-night cruise. We should have a lot of opportunities here to get some great video for you guys. So that's it for this one, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.